In this lesson, let's learn how to identify correlations in scatter plots. Correlations essentially means what's the relationship between two data sets. Remember that in a scatter plot, the x-axis shows you one value, the y-axis shows you the value of the other data set, right? So when we look at the first one, right, what's the relationship? We can see as the value in x increases, right, this, x is increasing, the value of y is also increasing, right, straight lines. So this means that there's a positive correlation, right, because as x increases, y increases. The values are very close to each other, right? They're very close to each other, which means there is a strong positive correlation. Okay, let's look at the second one. Again, as x increases, y increases, right? As we can see, it's the arrow going right down the middle straight up. So this is again got a positive correlation, but it's a weak one because the values are not very close to one another. Here, it's a negative correlation, right? Because as x goes down, y goes down. As x increases, right, x goes from here to here to here, the value of y is decreasing. When x was small, y was big. When x is big, y is small. So this has got a negative correlation, and that too a weak one because the data points are further apart. Here we can see again it's a negative correlation, but it's a strong negative correlation because as x increases, y decreases, but the numbers or the values are very close to one another. So this is a strong negative correlation. See if there's any more. Oh yeah, this one. I can't figure out. X seems to be increasing and y decreasing, but x increases, y also increases. So there is no correlation here. It just doesn't make any sense. There is no pattern, right? So this says no correlation. Let's see what else we have to do. So we have to write positive, negative, or no correlation to describe the relationship. Ages of people and the number of pets they own. Is there a positive correlation, which means as people grow older, the number of pets goes up? Do older people have more pets? Not true. There's no correlation between these two values because there is no relation between the age of the person and how many pets they own. A 20-year-old could own 10 pets and an 80-year-old may have one, right? There's no correlation between the values. So the key thing to remember when we talk about scatter graphs and correlation is positive correlation means the line's going up to the right. Negative means it's to the right but going down. Okay? As x is going up, y is also going up. X going down, y going down. Up and up is positive. As x increases, y is negative. That's a negative correlation. Weak and strong is determined by how close the values are. This is strong, this is weak, and this is strong again.